In this video, I'm going to talk about exercise because exercise is very important for your health. Some people like exercise. However, some people don't like exercise. Some people only exercise once a week. Other people exercise twice a week. Some people exercise every day. But some people never exercise. There are many different types of exercise that you can do. For example, you can do sport, and there are many different types of sport that you can do. Football, tennis, basketball, these are all sports that you can do. You can also go to the gym. Lots of people like going to the gym to lift weights. If you lift weights at the gym, you can get stronger. Other people don't like to lift weights. Other people prefer to do cardio. Cardio is exercise like running, swimming, or cycling. These types of exercise are all cardio. Another important type of exercise that most people don't do is exercise for flexibility. Things like yoga, stretching, and other types of exercise that help you to get more flexible. If you never do any exercise, then maybe when you are older, you may have more health problems. You may have more health problems if you never exercise. However, if you do lots of exercise, then maybe when you're older, you will have less health problems. But the thing is that some people find exercise really boring. For some people, exercise is really boring. So if you are somebody who finds exercise really boring, then maybe you could do sport, because for a lot of people, sport is more fun than going to the gym or running or cycling or swimming. Sport is more fun because it's a group activity. It's a group activity where you can play a sport with other people and not by yourself. When you go running or go swimming or go cycling, or when you go to the gym, usually you do this by yourself. However, when you play sport sports like football, basketball, or tennis, you do these sports with other people. And that's why many people find sports more fun, because they can do them with other people and not by themselves. Some people think that exercise is boring, but for those people, maybe they should try sports, because lots of people find sports more fun. The reason that some people find sports more fun is because you do them with other people. When you play football or basketball or tennis, you do them with other people. But when you go running or go swimming or go cycling or go to the gym to lift weights, you do them by yourself. And some people find this boring. What about you? Do you think that exercise is fun? Or do you think that exercise is boring? What type of exercise do you like to do? Do you like sports like football, tennis, or basketball? Or do you prefer running, cycling, swimming, or going to the gym? And how often do you exercise? Once a week? Twice a week? 3 times a week? Every day? Or never? Thank you for watching this slow English video. Please leave a like and a comment, and please subscribe to English Sponge, because there will be more slow English videos in the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.